A man will attend court today after being charged with a public order offence during the Queen's lying in state. The Queen's coffin was approached in Westminster Hall on September 16 by someone who left the long queue of mourners. Muhammad Khan was arrested in the hall and received a charge the next day. The 28-year-old is from Barleycorn Way, Tower Hamlets, London. He was charged on September 17 within Section 4A offence of the Public Order Act. The Metropolitan Police said this covered behavior intending to cause alarm, harassment or distress. Man in court charged for intending to cause harassment during Queen's lying in state. Image, Getty. Reports suggested a man appeared to grab the royal standard draped over the Queen's coffin. Khan attended Westminster Magistrates' Court in September, 2 days after his charge was issued. The court heard that he planned to trespass at royal residences, including Buckingham Palace, because he did not believe the Queen was dead, according to The Guardian. Luke Staton of the prosecution said the defendant had reached Westminster Hall. He was then seen by officers, who were present, to approach the coffin. The Queen lying in state. Image, Getty. He stepped off the carpet in the direction of the catafalque, then grabbed hold of the royal standard flag draped over the coffin with both of his hands. Mr. Staton added, the defendant did express the idea that the Queen is not dead and that he approached the coffin because he wanted to check for himself. He did say, prior to the state funeral, he was planning on going to the funeral. Metropolitan Police. Image, Getty. He planned to write to the royal family and if they did not reply he planned to go to Windsor Castle, Buckingham Palace and Balmoral to try to speak to the Queen. The incident took place at around 10 p.m. The case was adjourned on Monday for a mental health assessment. The Culture Secretary last month said more than 250,000 people saw the Queen lying in state in Westminster Hall. Michelle Donnellan added that this was an approximate figure and the government was still crunching the final numbers. Tens of thousands later lined the streets for Her Majesty's state funeral.